Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with this website, like you see with me here, is called Clipstill, and it's a specialized platform that offers cinemagraphs, which are still photographs with subtle and repeated motion elements. Cinemagraphs add a touch of life and motion to static images, creating visual captivating and engaging content. And to start with the website, simply then over to Clipstill and choose the official site. Let's accept the cookies, and now we are on the homepage or the interface of the website, where you find all the key features that you may need, and also where you can get started using the website. So let's get started. So first thing, we need to enter our email address here. And we need to confirm that we consent to having Clipstill collect my submitted data, and click on subscribe. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, you have successfully joined our subscriber list. Let's click on continue. So now they may send an email to our inbox. Let's check it out. So after we click the link, the subscription is confirmed. So let's back to the website. So now, like you see, we are in free Cinemagraphs or the Cinemagraphs collection. The Clipstill provides a curated collection of high-quality cinemagraphs created by talented artists. The collection covers a wide range of themes, style, and subjects, allowing users to find cinemagraphs that suit their specific project's need. Like example, let's choose this photo here. And this is what you can do for the download. This is an HD video, 1920 multiple 180. And if you don't have the download password, you can find it on our Instagram. Please follow us. So to find the download code, you need just to get the password from their page on Instagram. And like you see, the quality of this small videos, it's very high. The clips still maintain a high standards of quality for its cinemagraphs. The visuals are created by skilled artists using professional equipment and editing techniques, resulting in visually stunning and seamless cinemagraphs. We have a lot of pages here. So here we are in the customization and integration. The Clipstill allows users to customize and integrate their cinemagraphs into various platforms and formats. Users can apply their own edits, overlays, and branding elements to the Cinemagraphs to make them seamlessly fit within their projects. And also, if you have any problem or issue, we have the contacts that or the responsive support. The Clipstill provides a responsive customer support to assist users with any inquiries for issue they may have. Their support team is available to answer questions, provide guidance, and listen to end users, and address technical concern. And this Clipstill collection of Cinemagraphs offers a unique way to enhance visual storylights or the storytelling and capture attention with their subtle and mesmerizing motion elements. Whether for social media, websites, presentation, or other creative projects, Cinemagraphs from Clipstill can add a touch of elegance and integrity to your visual content. So, and if you didn't find something specific in your head, you find it just in the search bar, because the Clipstill provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to search and browse through their Cinemagraphs collection. Users can search for Cinemagraphs by keywords, categories, and themes, making it convenient to find the right visual for their projects. And for the licensing options, Clipstill offers different licensing option for the use of their Cinemagraphs. The licensing terms allows for both personal and commercial use depending on the specific license chosen by the user. This here, the subtle motion elements, the Cinemagraphs on Clipstill features carefully crafted and seamless looping motion elements within otherwise still images. These subtle motion draw attention, create visual interest, and give unique and mesmerizing quality to the visuals. So this will be our video today. I hope you guys understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So, like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you still in good health until that time.